Hey everyone, my name is Willie Jackson and I am back with another video to show you how to get that hacked version of Subway Surfers. For me, I don't play it, but some people they play it. It's a good game, Subway Surfers, yeah. But I don't play it. I don't play none of my games on my phone. I just download games to see how they work. But if you want it, it's not that hard to get it. But like I said in my other video, how to get unbanned from Monkey, I will show you how to get the hack version of Subway Surfers. Or hack it if you want to. And if it doesn't work for you, you can just hit me up on my Instagram. It'll be in a link in the bio. Okay? So let's get right into the video. So you can go on Google, go on Chrome. I did it on Google. Just type in Subway Surfers hack APK download. And yes, you can see where it says YouTube name generated quiz because I didn't know what to put my YouTube name as. And I just typed in YouTube because I wanted to put my link in my thing, my Instagram. But I did it. So I already have it typed in. I just have to click on it. You can type it in or say it. And it says download Subway Surfers mod APK. Click on it. You don't need to click on none of these sources reached. You just keep scrolling until you see Subway Surfers hacked. Okay? And it'll say download Subway Surfers hacked APK v1.100.0 latest version. Unlimited keys and coins. You can never run out of keys and coins on here. You can run out of nothing on here besides like the stuff you buy on here. And you don't need to put your money into this because you get like one. I can't say the number. Nope, I can't say the number. I already had it downloaded and I deleted it to show you how you can download it. So after it downloads, it'll say for most people it'll say go to your settings and allow open sources or something like that. And you want to allow that because you're downloading something off of Google or Chrome. For this, like, none of this you need. See, look, you get all of this for free, all of that. See the money at the top right here? You don't get that much. You get more than that. All of this unlimited. You just buy all your hoverboards, and if you think you gonna run out of money, you're not gonna run out of money at all. You still have it. See, like, you can see where the hoverboard number at. All the hoverboards. See, that person, whoever did this, had all of that. You get more money than that. You could upgrade all of that. Wow. See, at first, I thought I had to go to my folder for me to install it, but you don't have to install it from your folder, your files, I meant. And it'll pop up on the screen, and you have to, like, go to your settings, and it'll take you straight to your settings for you to allow it to proceed to download. See, like this at the bottom of the screen, it says open. You just click on open, and it say unknown. Unknown is okay because you're downloading off of Google, and you want to hit install application. See, it says, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access, which is good. See, after install, I'm going to show you what you have and what you don't have. Well, you have everything. And I am going to come up with a next video. Well, I'm going to need y'all to come up with my next video. I can either do pranks, and other stuff. More videos like this, hacked videos. Only video I can't do is something about Fortnite, because Epic Games, they are really tight with your game. And after this, you just want to hit open after it's like that. Then it'll pop up. See, this is my email, but me, I don't play it like that. I'm not gonna put it in. You can connect to Facebook on here. If you feel like you want to talk to me, hit me up on my email, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. During the summer, oh, it's loaded. See, for me, I'm just my regular age. Just hit accept. Now see, look. You just gotta play it one time. I am terrible at this. So you have to play it one good time. It already gives you the 2 hoverboards. I don't know if it gives you in a regular one, but you'll have it. It says you high score, but see, look, you have millions. Like, you see this? You have millions of keys, millions of coins, but you like 944. You see this? Your trophies? You got 944 trophies. See, look at this. Just keep buying, and keep buying. It's endless. And you don't even need to hit 3 free for that. You don't run out of nothing here. You can literally get as much coins and keys as you have, as much hoverboards as you have. See? Then you can go to your boost, have all of this here. You just upgrade. Here, sneakers. You got your coin magnet. And you got your pirate multiplier. See, you can get your hoverboard again over here. You got the box. I don't want to open that right now. Your scores over here. Score booster. And you have your head start. I'm okay with using the head start because it just boosts your weight over there. And you can add your friend. But I'm in the top place because I have 944 trophies. You can hit home. And you can hit me. See, for me, you have everyone. Everyone on here. Everyone on here. You got all of them. Whoever like use this one. You got Tony. You got all of them. Dylan. Chillis. Sophia. Then for the hoverboards, you got the hoverboards. You get all the hoverboards. So you got this one, you get to click on this one. You got this one. Every last hoverboard is unlocked just for you. I really don't use them, but I use them when I feel like I'm a crash or just want to crash. The one I like is this banana one. I like the banana one, and I like the green one because you got this. Then collect the awards. Just all you have to do is just keep collecting. It's endless. You have all of this. Connect to Facebook. Then go back. I'm not connected to Facebook. I don't have a Facebook account. I got Instagram. Like I said, like I said, characters. You got all the characters. You got every last one on here. Oh, and this one, Mike, is my favorite one. And yeah, I like the gold guy. I remember when I was little, I played this, and like this guy right here, this girl right here was my favorite character. Then I would always try to get Spike. It was hard to get these, but now you got the hack version. See? Alright. Thank you for watching how to get the hacked version of Subway Surfers. I will be uploading my next video very soon. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.